students, hope you are doing well. MAH B.Ed SET, which is a state level entrance exam, is organized every year by the Maharashtra SET cell in order to shortlist the candidates for admission into B.Ed and M.Ed courses across various institutes in Maharashtra. If you are also interested in appearing for Maharashtra B.Ed SET, then it is very important for you to apply for the exam as the initial step. Although it is also important for the candidates to have the complete knowledge related to MAH B.Ed SET application process so that they don't make any mistakes while applying for the exam. In this video, we'll talk about all the details pertaining to Maharashtra B.Ed SET or MAH B.Ed SET application form, including the dates, process, documents and other details. Maharashtra B.Ed SET registration dates. The candidates can check the important dates for MAH B.Ed SET by clicking on the link that has been provided in the video description. There they can find the complete schedule of the application form for MAH B.Ed SET. Now let us look at the application fee for MAH B.Ed SET. For open category candidates from Maharashtra state, outside Maharashtra states, all India candidates belonging to all categories and Jammu and Kashmir migrant candidates, the application fee is 800 rupees, while for the backward classes such as SC, ST, OBC, SBC, etc. that belong to the Maharashtra state, the application fee is 600 rupees. Now, let us look at the various documents that are required to fill the MAH B.Ed SET application form. The very first document that you require is photograph. It is to be noted that all candidates must upload the scanned copy of the photograph in JPG format. The size of the photo must be in between 20 to 50 KB. The second document is signature of the candidate. The candidate must upload a scanned copy of the signature for which the size must be in between 10 KB to 20 KB. Also, the signature should not be in capital letters. The third document is non-creamy layer certificate, which is for the candidates who belong to DTVJ, NT1, NT2, NT3, OBC, SBC and SEBC categories. These candidates will have to submit a valid non-creamy layer certificate. The last document that is required for filling MAH B.Ed SET application form is the caste validity certificate. The reserved category candidates are required to upload a caste certificate that should be issued by the Maharashtra state. Now, what are the various steps included in MAH B.Ed SET and how to apply for MAH B.Ed SET? The various steps which are required to apply for MAH B.Ed SET include new registration, filling up the form, documents uploading and paying the application fee. The very first step is the registration, for which the applicants will have to visit the official website of MAH SET cell and click on the apply online link on the main page, which will take them to the MAH B.Ed SET application form portal. The new users must register by clicking on the click here for new registration tab, where the applicants will have to enter their name, contact details and email ID to register. A provisional registration number and password will be generated and will be sent on registered email address and contact number of the candidate. It is very important for the candidates to save the provisional registration number and password for the future references. The second step is to fill up the application form. The candidates must fill in the application form and ensure that all the details entered in the form are correct. All the mandatory fields must be added, without which the application will not be accepted. The applicants can use the Save and Next tab to save data before the final submission of the application. Once the application is filled, the candidates must verify all the entered details, and after cross-checking the details, candidates can click on Final Submission button. The third step is to upload the documents. where the applicants will have to upload the scanned copy of the photo and signature along with the other documents as per the specifications we have already discussed. The last step, the step 4, is the payment of application fee. Once the application is submitted, the applicant must make payment for the application. The payment can be done online using debit cards or credit card or internet banking, IMPS, cash card or mobile wallet options. After paying off the application fee, the application form for MH B.Ed set will be finally submitted. It is also advised for the candidates to download and save the MH B.Ed set application form for future references. That's all. Thank you. For more updates on B.Ed exams and admissions, stay tuned to College Dekho. Meanwhile, you can also check the link for other related articles from the video description. Thank you.
If you like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel.